In a world where gamers allow their wallets to be emptied so that they can look lit, Gucci, and damn right dope in-game, where these skins that they spend their money on, they do not even own. Three brothers rise up to change the world and bring freedom to all players. The freedom to truly own your in-game assets. The freedom to have your voice heard and determine how the games you know and love evolve over time. And the freedom to have a real stake in the gaming company that you believe in. Illuvium, coming soon to a planet near you.